anniversary. I hope you will have an everlasting and unconditional love in your relationship. I bless the family with peace, the whole family with peace, joy, and strength. And of course, abundant life, and the wholeness and completeness of the Lord be upon to all of you. And I thank this is the day that the Lord has made, and you will enjoy and be glad in it. Be thankful with your grateful heart for this occasion. And I wish you again a happy wedding anniversary.
Happy golden anniversary and Dr. Vicky. Love you po.
Happy 50th anniversary. Congratulations.
Mas mayroon po masaya. Piras po kay 50 and golden wedding anniversary. Malapit na rin pinarami sa sadyanan niya. At ikit ko kayo yung pamagdagol mo ko rin anak mo. Masanti, masantulagyan, dahil pati rin ako na. Parang kinakasyon kompleto kayo masaya ko. Kaya, rin sans o rin sans mo, adult kayo. Ibigay ko yung gawa ng manipul mo. Baka mito, o tanda tayo pa ng das na yung maning 50 golden anniversary.
Ay, netong.
Enjoy your day because of your occasion. All the family are there. And God bless you. Bye-bye. May the love you share. May the love you share continue to grow stronger with each passing year and a heartfelt anniversary. Congratulations and masaya ako. Ato pa naman yung gambulin mo, nakalayabi ko man, katrena ako mo, masaya kayo masaya. God bless you all.
Agawa niya yung 50 mong wedding anniversary. Ngayon niya pang balamo family reunion ka rin magtoto. Dakal na rin. Kaya happy kami. Agyan na kami. Magsaya kayo. Okay? Love you.